So I think we've come to a crossroads. I have officially run out of inspirational YouTube video ideas, meaning things that I'm excited to do a video about. So I'm gonna need your help today. I need you to do a couple things. So first off, hi, my name is Rocky. Thank you for coming to my channel, and today's video is going to be you helping me, 100% you helping me. I've been on YouTube for 3 years now, and I never thought this day would come where I have come to a point where I don't have any more ideas about videos that like inspire me, like, yes, I really want to do this video. And so what I need is your help. I mean, I have a few ideas, and these are kind of like bottom of the barrel ideas, and I'm going to run through those with you. But I also would love to know what you want to see me do, what you want to hear me talk about or have me show you, whatever the case may be. As you guys know, the purpose of my channel is to talk about beauty, lifestyle, my city of Chicago, and a little bit of beauty. And with it being winter, with there being a pandemic, and you know, the high rise of carjackings here in Chicago, I've not really been able to show you my city of Chicago. So let's take that one off the table. So while I'm going through this list, start brainstorming, but here's the favor. Get a piece of paper, pen, pencil, crayon, marker, whatever it is, your phone, the notes on your phone, your iPad, whatever. I need you to take some notes and tell me which of these ideas you think are exciting enough that you would watch. And these couple are the ones that I plan to do. Like this is what, one of these should have been today's video. And you guys have seen my closet a few times. And there are all these nooks and crannies filled with things that you have never seen. And you have no idea why my closet is so full. You just know that it is. And so in some of the cubbies, there are collections of things. And I was going to share with you my collection of scarves. And then another video was going to be a collection of my hats, and just kind of speed through, no conversation about it, like here are my scarves and here are my hats, and speeding through so you can see what I have. Probably some later iterations on that is styling those, but that's where I was going to start with those. So if that doesn't sound interesting, go ahead and mark a no against those. You know, my scarf collection and my hat collection. Then I went on social media and asked people what they wanted, what they thought some good ideas would be. And 3 ideas came out. What are the shoes that we should be wearing for winter and spring? So shoes and boots, whatever. And then spring, summer fashion trends. And then the last one is office outfit ideas, because people are starting to return back to the office. People are starting to gear up to get back into school, to work, and all of those things. So that's an interesting idea. You know, how to transition from being all slouchy and comfy at home and then back into the office. That's an interesting idea. Which leads me to a ton of ideas that I had for 2020, but they were sort of sidelined because of COVID. And maybe I can revisit some of those ideas, and you let me know if any of these are good. So I'm going to go ahead and go through them. I had makeover tips, like beauty and style. So just very subtle, how to like refresh your skin, your hair, if you're going to be doing nice, clean, natural makeup. You know, some tips around that. How I've made myself over to date. So if any of you have known me since I was not always a huge advocate of fashion. Not to say that I wasn't into style, but I wasn't the way that I am today. And I've also, you know, morphed. My body has changed a bit with weight loss and such. And there's been some changes. And I was going to walk through that journey with you guys and how I got to where I was. I was going to do a series on making someone else over. So a style series, but with COVID that was sidelined because we were all social distancing and, you know, quarantining and things. So making other people over wasn't a really good idea. How I became interested in fashion. I used to have an intro video that sort of talked about that a tiny bit, but I never really got down into why I got into fashion. So I wanted to tell you that story and go through that journey. how I became a fashion expert and talk you through that. How fashion affects your daily life and your professional life. You know, the psychology behind it, and, you know, some tips on how to help fashion help your life. Dress for the job you want and not the job you have. Kind of more inspirational around fashion as well. Giving some tips around that. More of a psychology piece. 5 professional outfit ideas. How to shop for professional outfits on the cheap. Professional attire try-on haul, and that was assuming that I was still going to be in the office. So I was going to do a haul specifically around office attire. And then a series on who wore it best, like which one is quote whack, right? And so when you find multiple people wearing the same things, it was going to be more of a commentary piece showing you, you know, people wearing the same outfit, which ones were good or bad and why. So those were the ideas, quite a few. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 11, and 16 ideas, with the option of possibly 18 ideas there. So there are a lot of ideas. I don't feel particularly passionate about doing any of those at the moment, quite honestly. But I would love your idea. Like, if you are interested in any of the ones I listed, yeah, just let me. I feel like if you're inspired by any of the topics, then it'll inspire me. I feed off your energy, so you tell me. If none of them are floating your boat or blowing up your skirt, that's fine too. Tell me what you would like me to do, or what you would like to see me do on here. I will take any feedback. I just need some energy, some inspiration, some ideas, some, yes, you know, some direction. It's been 3 years, a little over 3 years on here now, and not to say that I have run out of ideas, but more so run out of the inspiration and idea and energy for the types of videos I've been doing. So let me know. I am waiting with a bated breath. So, and then we'll get down into making some videos that you love, that we both love. Thank you so much for joining my channel. You know, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. This time you really do need to leave me some comments down below. We need to help each other. Put some comments down below. Which video ideas would you like to see me do? Share it with your friends. Hey, post the ideas of people you know, and then bring them back. I don't care how we do this. Thank you. Bye.